Welcome dear students. Standard 4th subject English. Lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. So students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. It's only a matter of practice. This lesson tells a beautiful story about a Chinese man. Now, here the story tells about a Chinese man. People who live in China are called a Chinese, as we who live in India are called Indians. Now, this man is an archer. Now, who is archer? Archer is a person who shoots arrows from a bow. His name was Chen Yuzi. He was very skilled and he would perform his archery with great talent and skill. So students, let's begin with the story. Now students, over here it describes how a person can master any skill if he or she is bent on achieving what he or she desires to achieve. In short, it is practice that makes one perfect. Lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. So let's start. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yuzi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. Now students, long ago in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yuzi. He was a skilled archer and beautiful performed wonderful feats of archery. He would proudly show his skills to the admiring crowds who applauded his feat. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yuzi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." Now students, over here an old man was there who was an oil seller who watched Chen's feat but did not applaud. He only remarked, "It's just a matter of practice." This annoyed Chen Yuzi and he started arguing with the old man. The latter remained calm and explained how over the years he achieved the skill of filling the gourds. He agreed to demonstrate his skill. Chen Yuzi was annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything a matter of practice." Chen Yuzi became very angry. "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gourds." Now students, gourds mean containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. Growled Chenuzi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Now, students, Chen agreed with reluctance, and everyone was curious to see what would happen next. The old man demonstrated how he could pour oil into a gourd from a height through a hole in the coin. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice. You see, Chenuzi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chenuzi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. Now, students, what they told over here, after he finished his work, not a trace of oil could be seen on the coin. The people were speechless with wonder. The man proved that one can acquire skills only through practice. Chenuzi lost all his anger and annoyance and admitted that the old man had taught him something important. Thereafter, Chenuzi never boasted about his skill as an archer but became a humble man. So, students, have you understood this lesson? It's only a matter of practice. Thank you.